how to log out of an Instagram account that is remembered. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can log out of an Instagram account that has your password saved and remembered. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, you want to open up Instagram, come to the profile page, then tap the three lines icon, then go to settings, then go to security, then just go to save login information, then make sure that this is actually turned off. Now once you've turned that off, just come back to the three lines again, then just go to settings, then just tap the logout button from the bottom of the screen. If you want to save your password, you can do that. So let's say I happen to save it and then I logged out of my account. How do I remove those accounts which is saved on my Instagram map? So you can see the accounts here which are saved. So what I will do is now I'll just tap the gear icon which is at the top right hand side. It allows me to manage a profile. I'll just select a specific profile, tap the option called remove profile, remove it, and the account will be successfully deleted. This is how you can simply log out of an Instagram account that has been remembered. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.